The National Hurricane Center is forecasting Melissa will reach Jamaica Tuesday morning, likely to be the strongest storm to ever hit the island. Officials say life-threatening flash floods and landslides are expected. Residents have been cautioned to stay inside, and the Jamaican government already issued mandatory evacuations for several coastal communities, including parts of Kingston. Now, the U.S. is not expected to feel any direct threat from Melissa, although some parts of the East Coast could see rip current and rough surf. Hurricane Melissa